Hello everyone, my name is VK and I welcome you all back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about cryptocurrency. We are going to explain what cryptocurrency is and how it works. A cryptocurrency, just in case you don't know, is a digital or a virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates independently from a central bank. The most well-known cryptocurrency is called Bitcoin, but there are so many others such as Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, Dogecoin, and the list goes on. Cryptocurrency transactions are recorded on a public ledger, which is called a blockchain. Each blockchain contains a list of transactions and a unique code, which is called a hash. And a hash links each block to the previous one. And this creates a secure and decentralized network where every participant has a copy of the ledger, making it nearly impossible to alter or manipulate the information. It's very important to know that cryptocurrency technology is changing the way we think about money, the way we think about data management. While still in its early stages, it has the potential to develop many industries and has already begun to disrupt traditional financial system. That's my take. Not a financial advice, and nothing I say in this video is a suggestion for you to buy, to sell, or to hold a stock or cryptocurrency. By choosing to continue watching videos on this channel, you accept the fact that you and you alone are responsible for every single move you choose to make. Your gains, your losses, or every single emotion that you will experience along the way, whether it is massive pain or intense pleasure, you and you alone are responsible. So do your own research and never invest money that you are not ready to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on understanding cryptocurrency.